Have you ever wondered what it takes to launch and grow a thriving woodworking business? Today, we're going to uncover the 15 most valuable strategies and approaches that can make all the difference for new and aspiring woodworking business owners. But before we jump in, did you know that woodworking has been around for thousands of years? Ancient Egyptians, for example, were master craftsmen, creating intricate wooden furniture that still inspires us today. Now, let's get back to modern times and explore the secrets of woodworking success today. Strategy 1. A niche you can specialize in. Think of it like this. Would you rather be a jack of all trades, or a master of one? Whether it's custom furniture, fine woodworking, or crafting wooden toys, finding your niche can set you on a path to expertise and recognition. Strategy 2. Efficient workflow. An efficient workflow is your secret weapon. Organize your workshop for maximum efficiency. Look for ways to save time and materials. After all, a well-organized workspace is like a conductor's podium for your symphony of craftsmanship. Strategy 3. Materials sourcing. Let's talk materials. Building relationships with reliable suppliers can lead to quality wood at competitive prices. Sometimes, loyal customers get additional special deals and discounts. So, make sure your wood supply is as solid as your craftsmanship. Strategy 4. Creative marketing. Marketing is your canvas. Get creative. Social media, content marketing, and email campaigns can help you paint a picture of your brand. Tell your story, and watch customers come running. Strategy 5. Leverage technology. In the digital age, technology is your trusty sidekick. Design software, CNC machines, and precision tools can ramp up production, save you time and enhance quality. You don't need these to get started, but they could be very helpful down the road. Strategy 6. Collaboration opportunities. Collaboration is the name of the game. Working with interior designers, architects, or other businesses, like specialty retailers, can open new doors for projects and clients. Sometimes, two heads, or in this case, two businesses, are better than one. Strategy 7. Customer feedback. Your customers hold the key. Too many people overlook this important success element. Actively seek feedback and use it to refine your products and services. Happy customers not only come back for more, but also spread the word about your business. Strategy 8. Pricing strategies. Pricing is an art. Don't just compete on price. Consider value-based pricing that reflects your skills and the value you provide. Remember, quality craftsmanship is worth every penny. Do not undersell the value you provide. Strategy 9. Scaling options. Scaling means growth. Explore new horizons like offering online woodworking courses, DIY kits, or opening your own e-commerce store. Diversifying your revenue streams can help your business flourish. Strategy 10. Legal and financial advice. Dot your I's and cross your T's. Consult with experts who know small businesses inside and out, lawyers and accountants, to ensure your legal and financial structure is rock solid. Strategy 11. Networking. Networking is your lifeline. Attend trade shows, join associations, and engage in online communities. Connect with others and look for new opportunities. These connections can lead to invaluable opportunities and insights. Strategy 12. Continuous learning. Keep the learning flame alive. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and participate in online forums. In woodworking, as in life, knowledge is power. Strategy 13. Sustainability. Green is the new black. Integrate sustainability into your practices to meet the demands of eco-conscious consumers. It's good for the planet and good for your woodworking business. Strategy 14. Time management. Time management is critical to your success. Balance your woodworking tasks with business responsibilities. It's like crafting a masterpiece. Each stroke counts, and deadlines matter. Implement repeatable systems everywhere. Strategy 15. Patience and persistence. Finally, the most essential secret of all: patience and persistence. Success doesn't happen overnight. Expect challenges, but keep your passion and determination burning bright. Make little improvements weekly and put in your best effort every day. You've just discovered 15 invaluable strategies and approaches that can pave the way for your woodworking business success. Remember, woodworking is an art and a craft, and your journey is just beginning. Now, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start creating your own masterpieces. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more woodworking wisdom. And as always, keep the sawdust flying and the creativity flowing. Until next time, happy woodworking!